We're hiking down and we got kind of clipped out, so we're lowering the packs on the rope. It's rainy. Yeah. The water's flowing. Waterfalls. Baboon laughs. This is the first rappel after the first not rappel. Laughing baboon. Yep, it's a swimmer. So we just simul-rappelled off that boulder. It was kind of hard to tell. Down climb. Down it goes. Pretty good swimmer too. Water slide. Okay. Water, water. This is so cool. Water, water. Oh, it's so fun.
I can test the depth for you.
Over 20. He tried to make a big splash. 3. Woo! Yeehaw! Woohoo! Big little down climb. What'd you think?
It was good. It was a great wet canyon. I got to use my wetsuit.
Yeah. This is the first pothole in Poe. We just did a little slide down that. Well, I slid, everyone else lowered. And then a boost out. We got a rappel off a chalkstone. Here's the next rappel. How far is this one?
Maybe
30, 40? Somewhere around there. We got a rappel off a bolt. Maybe 25, 30 feet, something like that. And Kevin's climbing out of this side. Oh, I can hardly see you. There we go.
Oh.
There's Kevin.
It was just me. Right.
We got Ken going down next. So we're going off a sand trap. So we came down that one with the sand trap. Now we got another sand trap. You're about to get a sand shower.
I'm going to back up as soon as do that slot. And you wrote that one. Not supposed to look into it that hard, Kevin.
Partner capture.
Not beautiful. This is not the right way.
Sand trap tostada method. So we sand trapped off that into that pothole. Partner assisted out. Now we got a dead man anchor into another pothole. Then another partner assist. Pretty good little down climb there. Well done. Now a good climb out.
Doesn't hit. 2. 3. Nope. 6 feet short. 4 feet short. Yeah. Hold it. 3. 3. Oh yeah! That was
a good throw.
that it? Oh, I didn't fall. 3. Close. Yes. Is it? Holy fudge, that was like 12 feet. So, if anyone was wondering if that would work, that would work. So you just pendulumed off your anchor and you like he threw down as hard as he could and then I added the shoulder and the core.
Oh, the timing is perfect.
Yeah, you gotta have timing.
That was slick.
That was so easy.
Well guys, we made it out of the pit. This is how a 2-to-1 works. I sit on the anchor, they pull the people up. I see a helmet. Got it. First swimmer. 60-foot rappel right there, off a bolt. Getting ready for the next one. So I think I forgot to get any pictures, but that was the warthole right there. And Anthony's rappelling off the top. We all ziplined across. This is our secret exit to the canyon.
Oh, woohoo, ho! Oh.
Woo! We made it to the top of Happy Dog through the gateway arch. Whoa!
There, and then after that one, you're going to slide.
Keep your leg out. Feet out. Oh, nice.
He has a lot better form than I do.
Yeah.
Fiddling off a bush. Good start. Anthony's hung upside down by his toe. Just finished a stemming section. Fairly extended. And there's a cave! Woo! So we just came down that big rappel into Poison Ivyville. And yep, bolted anchor down to more poison ivy. Pulling the rope from way up there. So if you're ever wondering what poison ivy looks like, it's that, and that, and that, and all of this. Scrub all the poison ivy off your gear. Setting up the fiddle for the first big rappel.
That would have been taking more water out.
Oh, they're dumping all the water out of the pothole so they can use the water anchor. All right, Kevin,
Game time.
summarize that trip for me.
That's because
Awesome.
that's because you went at our pace.
Super hard, super awesome.
I don't feel like I was slowing.